Hello guys, Burgeon here. Today we gonna explore and review the next-gen game changer, PlayStation 5 Slim. If you enjoy the contents, hit the like button and a sub to the channel will be consolable. Anyways, here we go. The PlayStation 5 Slim, often referred to as the PS5 Slim, is a refined version of the original PlayStation 5 console. Here's a comprehensive review based on the latest information. The PS5 Slim maintains the distinctive design language of the original PS5, but in a slightly smaller form factor. It measures 14.1 by 3.8 by 8.5 inches, making it a bit thinner on all sides compared to the first release PS5. The design features gentle, curved white panels around a black center, with light strips that glow blue, white, or amber depending on the console's status. The PS5 Slim offers the same excellent performance as the original model, with a powerful custom AMD Zen 2 CPU and RDNA 2 GPU. It supports 4K gaming at 60 frames per second, and some games can run at 120 frames per second at a lower resolution. One of the key updates in the PS5 Slim is the increased storage capacity, with a 1TB SSD for the standard model. The console also introduces a new modular optical drive bay, which allows for more flexibility in how you use and upgrade the console. The PS5 Slim has better stability when placed in a horizontal position. However, it does not include a vertical stand, which can be purchased separately if needed. The user interface remains clean and fast, ensuring a smooth gaming experience. The disc-based model of the PS5 Slim retains the original system's price of $499, while the all-digital system is priced at $449, which is $50 more than its launch counterpart. The PS5 Slim is an excellent choice for gamers looking for the same great performance and features, but in a more compact package with additional storage. While it may be significantly slimmer than the original, its improved modularity and stability make it a worthy update.